Hello boys and girls, welcome back. So today we will be discussing a new chapter which is prevention of money laundering. Now this chapter has its own importance. Now this law you will be finding at CMA level, at CS level and also at CA level sir. And CA level mein to it has got double importance. Now this is there in your main law paper also and also at your economic law paper also. So the depth of coverage in economic laws will be very vast when compared to depth of coverage in your main law papers. Okay. Now the thing is, what is so important about this chapter, sir? Prevention of money laundering. So what do you feel? Money laundering should happen or should not happen? By the very word prevent, we can understand the Indian law or Indian government do not want money laundering activities to happen. Now, what is the reason? What impact it can have? How it can damage the economy, sir? How it can damage the entire, what you say, country, sir? That is what we are going to understand in this chapter, sir. Before I discuss anything about Money Laundering Act, sir, it is also called as Anti-Money Laundering Act, sir, or you can say Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. Now, sir, before I discuss anything about this, sir, let us try to just take this small example, sir. Now, sir, maybe most of you might be knowing about this person, sir, Osama bin Laden, sir. Okay, very good. Sir, next person is your and a Telgi scam. If you remember, stamp paper ka scam it was, sir. So he is Mr. Abdul Karim Telgi, sir. And then we have Mr. Kasab. Now, all these three people, sir, they have applied shortcuts for earning the money. So can I say they used to do something called scams, kidnapping, dealing in arms, ammunition, robbery they used to do, sir, murder, fraud, bribe, etc. Whatever it is, sir. Now, imagine a scenario, sir, if persons like this, if they want to earn money in this fashion, sir, matlab by doing scam, kidnapping, dealing in arms, ammunition, guns, powder, and sir, fraud, bribe, extortion, etc., the list goes on, sir. The list goes on, sir. So if at all they want to earn money in this fashion, sir, now imagine these people have earned, say for example, 1000 lakhs, sir. So all these three people, sir, collectively has earned 1000 lakhs, sir. Now these people are ready to pay income tax of 300 lakh crore to the government, assuming that 30% slab limit is what we are applying to them, sir. So these people are ready to pay tax, sir. Now question is this okay? Question is this okay, sir? So if income tax department gets their tax amount, sir, is this okay? Because we have already studied in income tax act, sir, income means what, sir? That income which is earned in a good manner also, and that income which is earned by illegal means also. So income tax mein we are paying tax on both the income, sir. So here, sir, we are ready to pay tax. Is this okay? Answer is it is not okay, sir. Answer is it is not okay, sir. So now the point is what? If these people get this sort of money, sir, 1000 crore, now obviously this amount they will be not getting totally in what, sir? White, that is through bank account. So they will be not getting. Mostly this amount may be through bank, what you say, cash, sir, maybe in the form of gold, etc., sir. So can I say ye paisa kidhar rakhna? Where should they keep this money, sir? And now they cannot deposit this in the bank account also. If they do so, can I say first thing is we will collect the tax. Next question we will ask is, now imagine suddenly if somebody says my income is 1000 crores, sir. So can I say first thing, though, he has already paid the tax of, what is say, 30% on that, sir. So next question will be what? In assessment, sir, ki bhai tell me the source of your earning. तो what you will say, sir? The source of earning you will say what? वो ना मैं जरा kidnapping किया था, है ना, थोड़ा bribery लिया था मैं, थोड़ा robbery I have done. तो can I say this is what you will be saying, sir? Don't you think you have adopted illegal means for earning money? You have adopted what, sir? Illegal means of earning money. So here income tax department will collect their tax amount, sir. Now the thing would be what we will be also doing is your other amount may also be confiscated. Your other amount may also be what, sir? Confiscated. This amount may go in the, what you say, hundi of government, sir. Okay, sir, sir, confiscated, इसका मतलब you put इतना efforts in earning this money, though है ना, efforts are put in a wrong manner, but still you put itna efforts in earning this money, you pay tax also, sir, still government is not allowing you to keep that residue amount, sir. Still government is not allowing you to have that balance amount. Reason, you have adopted illegal means for earning this money, sir. Okay, chalo, sir, chalo, amount is confiscated also. Very good, sir. Next, Now can I say only this much should be the what is a punishment to you people? No. So can I say now there could be something called what, sir? Imprisonment also. Now there should be something called what, sir? Imprisonment also. There could be something called what, sir? Fine also. So can I say Osama bin Laden, Kasab, Telgi Saab? Now all these people might be wondering, Sala, ek to we are ready to pay the tax, government is taking the tax also, government is taking that balance amount also, government is taking the fine also, government is asking us to sit in the jail also, sir. Can I say ye to galat hai? Now can I say these people will try to find new ways of what, sir? Hiding their income. These people will try to ensure that this money they are using in a better manner, sir, but still this money should not be called, or this money should not be what you say called in such a manner that this money has been earned through illegal means, sir. So can I say they would like to portray whatever 1,000 crores they have earned, whatever 1,000 lakh crores they have earned in such a manner that this money they have earned by putting their best efforts. So can I say here, what these people are not minding is a tax amount. So they are ready to pay tax amount. There are some type of people, sir, who do not want to pay tax only. So we are not talking about those type of people here, sir. So these people who are earning money in this manner, sir, they are having least bother. They are ready to pay taxes, sir. But problem is what, sir? Government is asking tax also. Government is asking that balance amount also. Government is asking fine also. Government is asking तुम भी आ जाओ सर, है ना. तो कैन आई से दीज आर द सीरीज ऑफ कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज विच विल मेक दिस पीपल टू फाइंड आउट न्यू वेज ऑफ हाइडिंग दिस इनकम, सर. अग्रीड और नॉट, सर? And that give rise to something called money laundering, sir. Okay, so I am not telling you in detail what is money laundering, sir. First I would like to ensure that a right question is framed in your mind, sir. Once you form a right question, sir, then answering things becomes easy. Now after say for example 20-25 minutes, you yourself will be able to answer what exactly you mean by money laundering. Only thing required here is what, sir? Ensure that you are going through all my examples in a very careful manner, sir. Okay, chaliye, sir. So here this amount, is it okay? Now maybe these people will say not okay. Why not okay, sir? Because sorry, government ka to chhod do. Now these people are not okay because if we show this as a tax amount, sir, so tax amount bhi jata, principal amount bhi jata, income bhi jata, sorry, fine bhi jata, etc. So these people are not okay. Now they have to find new ways. Now I am forming some questions, sir. Try to answer them, or at least try to keep this question in mind. Last May we will come and answer this question, sir. Let's see question number 1. Sir, imagine there is a person by Mr. Raj. Now Mr. Raj is a wholesale trader, sir. Okay, he is a wholesaler, sir. Now financial year 25-26 May, he has earned a net profit of 5 crores. So I'm not giving how much is gross receipts, how much is gross turnover, how much is his what you say expenses. Yes, sab lafda nako, sir. He has earned a direct net profit of 5 crores, sir. Now in ITR he has disclosed only 1 crore, sir. So maybe chances are right, most of his income is in cash receipts only, sir. So he has disclosed only limited amount of cash receipts, sir, and which is only what, sir? 1 crore, sir. So can I say like this, remaining 4 crore is your undisclosed income. Now question ye hai, is this 4 crores a proceed of crime? Is this 4 crore a black money? Is this 4 crore involving any money laundering? Matlab, having this 4 crore, do you think this person should be alleged of committing a money laundering offense, sir? I am not giving you any answers. All these are question marks. Last May we will come and answer them, sir. Another question, sir. Now imagine the same above example, sir. If you remember, Mr. Raj was having kitna, sir? 4.5 crore ka undisclosed income. Now what he is doing, sir? 4.5 crore. Sorry. I'm sorry, sir. So 4 crore ka undisclosed income is what Mr. Raj is having, sir. So what Mr. Raj did, sir? He is now trying to buy one property. Now generally we know this, sir. Sir, what is the stamp paper value and what is the actual value? Generally there will be a difference, sir. And most of the time the difference will be very high, sir. So what did he do, sir? He has now purchased the property at 4.5 crore value, sir. So this is the total value which has been decided between Mr. Raj and the seller, sir. Whereas document per he is trying to show how much, sir? 50 lakhs, meaning this is your registered value. So government value we have taken, property ka value was 50 lakhs, sir. Whereas remaining 4 crores whichever he has earned in cash, sir, that money he is giving to this person, sir. So maybe this person is ready to take this 4 crore in cash, 50 lakhs in what, sir? White, sir. So can I say this person is now having 4.5 crore ka consideration? This is how the price was also determined, sir. Now my question to you people is this a money laundering, sir? Is this a money laundering? Again, I'm not answering, sir. Again, this is a question mark, sir. So this was my example 1 and example 2, sir. Now let us see example number 3, sir. Okay, very good, sir. Now, sir, maybe you might be knowing about this person also, sir. Imagine, sir, हमारे Mr. Dawood. Okay, so Mr. Dawood along with his 2 friends. Mr. Dawood along with what, sir? His 2 friends. What they are doing, sir? Okay, sir, they have done a robbery. मतलब SBI बैंक को पकड़ लिए and from there they have done a robbery of 10 crore. Very small amount, sir, though है ना, he is capable of doing this multiple 10 times of that, sir, but still एक small amount we have taken, sir. 10 crores का robbery he has done, sir. Now after doing the robbery, sir, maybe he might have taken some advice, that again I will come back later, sir, and then he now tries to open some outlets. Like we see all the outlets in all your big areas, sir, and like Nike ka showroom we have, sir, like what you say Big Bazaar ka outlet we have. Aisa imagine a scenario, he is now trying to open one outlet, sir. Okay, sir, he is now trying to open 20 such outlets. Okay, so different parts of India mein he is trying to open some outlets, sir. Now imagine that outlet may sell shoes, that outlet may sell whatever goods, sir. What they are selling is not important. He is now opening some outlets. Now for that outlet, sir, can I say obviously you have to incur some cost, sir. So interior cost in those 20 outlets will be, say, rough calculation we have done, sir, 5 crore, sir. So AC हो सकता है, false ceiling हो सकता है, marble work, etc. work is there, sir. 5 crore. Marketing. Now we have to ensure that customer comes to our shop, sir. So he is doing now marketing, sir. The rent he has to pay about 1 crore, sir. Other costs 2 crores, sir. Goods purchase 2 crores. And employees ko salary, etc. he has to pay, sir, 1 crore. So his total cost is around 13 crores. He has incurred 13 crores. So obviously this total 10 crore he might have invested. Invested is not a good word, but this total 10 crores he has put here, sir. Obviously extra 3 crore, maybe he is having some additional savings, and so that amount also he has put, sir. But when he has filed his ITR, matlab Dawood may also file ITR, sir. So when he has filed his ITR, sir, he has shown the total cost for these 20 outlets are only 3 crores, sir. So total cost which he has incurred for these outlets are only 3 crores, sir. Okay, so maybe he is now suppressing the cost, sir. Very good, sir. Sir, that financial year may all 20 outlets has given him a, what you say, total turnover of 5 crore, where he has got a net profit of 2 crore, sir. Profit after tax, assuming 30% is the tax limit, sir, 1.5 crore is what he has got, sir. 1.5 crore what he has got, sir. Now can I say actually it was what, sir? 10 crore ka rupees. Actually it was what, sir? 10 crore, sir. Last May he is getting what, sir? 1.5 crore. Now can I say that 10 crore he has used to set up shops. That 10 crore he has used to set up what, sir? Shops. Now can I say this is what his capital expenditure is. This is what his capital expenditure is. And that capital expenditure will give him revenue income every year, sir. So can I say this year he has got 1.4 crores. Maybe next year he will get 2 crores. Maybe next year he will get so and so amount, sir. Agreed or not, sir? So this is what he is getting, sir. Do you think he will be happy? Do you think he will be happy? Obviously he will be happy, sir. Why? If he would have kept the 10 crore in hand, sir, so obvious logic is, and he could have been caught, sir. If he has deposited this in bank, sir, he would have caught. So can I say there were various ways in which he could have caught. So he has applied his brain properly, sir, and now he has opened multiple outlets, sir. Now I guess you should have understood in all those posh areas, sir, why outlets में even though no customers are there, why they are able to still run, sir, है ना? So थोड़ा सोचिएगा, है ना? Try to apply your brains कि why they are still running that outlet, sir. Most of the outlets might be running in losses only, sir, but why still they are running, sir? थोड़ा सोचिएगा, है ना? Apply your brains. I am not here to explain you or not here to, है ना, promote money laundering, sir. But the thing is, you should know how people are trying to, and try to hide their illegal origin wala money, sir. Anyway, so here 1.5 crore he is getting. This he will be getting this year also, next year also, next year also, next year also. So can I say, अगर today somebody sees this amount, मतलब imagine as a person, if I see this amount, what is that I will be finding sir? कि भाई ये तो profits है ना, ये तो PGBP है. So this is his income from what you say profession or income from what sir? Business sir. So can I say this is a PGBP income sir? Now my question to you people is, the 10 crore which he has got, is it a proceeds of crime? Question mark. The 10 crore which he has converted this into 1.5 crore. So can I say that 10 became what sir? 1.4 crore sir, and moving forward in future also this will happen. Is it a money laundering sir? Again I told you sir, I'm not going to give you any answer. I first want you people to form right question in your mind sir. Okay sir, very good. Now say for example, now we have our Mr. Politicians also sir. Okay, so I just took his photo sir. I have no what you say intention to name any person sir, so just took his photo sir. Now can I say politicians do have a opportunity sir, when they are performing their public duty sir, they do have a opportunity sir, है ना. So can I say chances are bright they can take money in the form of what sir? Corruption sir, है ना. तो bribe के रूप में they can take money sir. Imagine when they take the money in bribe sir, mostly that could be in cash only sir, or in the form of some assets sir, like say for example any building दे दिए उनको, है ना sir. Say for example any what you say high value net worth assets, gold दे दिए, diamond ring दे दिए, etc. But now imagine sir, he has got rupees 20 crore as what sir? Bribe the amount sir. Okay, now sir, now again this person also, can he deposit this in the bank account? Answer is no. Imagine if Mr. Politician deposits this 20 crores in the bank account. Next question what we'll be getting is, आप तो जनता के सेवक हो, you are public servant, है ना. How the hell you can get 20 crore का what do you say profits? So can I say this could be again a serious question. So what they will be doing sir, now they will be opening multiple businesses. So you will be finding all those big people sir are having multiple chains of businesses. So imagine हमारे Mr. Politician, he opens some hotels sir. Sir, he opens some petrol pumps, some multiplexes, some real estate transaction he does sir, whereby है ना his actual investment in all these businesses is 25 crore sir. That 20 crore cash he has invested sir, and 5 crore from his personal bank account he has invested sir, and whatever disclosed cost is only 5 crore sir. एक random number I am taking you sir, don't try to work on this statistics sir, है ना. But if at all you can do this, if at all you do with working with the numbers sir, it is possible. So एक disclosed cost is कितना sir? 5 crores. When I say disclosed cost, where it is disclosed? In ITR sir. So his cost of establishing the total businesses, petrol pump, multiplex, etc., etc. Imagine sir, he has incurred a cost of 5 crores sir. Okay, so very good sir. Now what is happening sir? Can I say he has set up various businesses. Now those businesses will give him profit sir. So multiplex may, even though imagine no customer is coming sir, he is trying to show what sir? High occupancy sir. Hotels में sir, imagine only 20-30% occupancy है, he will show high occupancy sir. So ऐसे कर he is inflating the sales. So imagine his sales net profit which he has shown is 20 crore sir. Taxes he has paid now 14 crore is what his income is. Can I say actually the very source of this money was what sir? From bribe. And today when he pays taxes and gets the money, so can I say today this looks like it is a PGBP income sir. Again 20 crore, is this a proceed of income sir? 20 crore say you getting that 14 crore sir, and is this a money laundering activity sir? Okay, again I am not telling you the answer sir. Last question let us take sir. Now imagine sir, I can name this person sir. So Mr. Vijay Mallya sir, imagine he is an LIC agent. Okay, he is an LIC agent sir. So Anna is having 10 crore ka cash sir. Now how did he get this money sir? So he has opened one company, है ना. So from that company he has done some fraud to investors, fraud to creditors, fraud to customers sir. Okay, after doing that fraud sir, he has made imagine 10 crore rupees sir. Okay, very good sir. Now imagine that fraud is not yet caught sir. Okay, so he has done fraud, he has defrauded his customers, defrauded creditors, defrauded every person who was associated with him sir, and through the company sir, and last he made some 10 crore rupees sir. Now that is also there in the cash, sir. How company can do what you say fraud, sir? Simple hai na bhai. Imagine a scenario, company is selling the product, sir. Company is selling the product, sir. Now imagine product was sold for 100 rupees, but can I say customer ko we said boss 20 rupees, 30 rupees you pay through bank, 70 rupees you pay in cash. So can I say that cash was taken by Mr. Director and 30 was shown in books of accounts of company, sir. So can I say aisa 70 if he earns, aisa multiple transaction he does, so can I say he can make money for himself or not, sir? Yes. So aisa he has made money, sir. Okay, very good, sir. Now he wants to ensure that this money he can use peacefully. Today he can't use this money peacefully, sir. 10 crore hai, suddenly if you start spending this, everyone will question it, है ना? So it is like Alibaba 40 chor, sir. Suddenly if Alibaba gets this much money, sir, so now he doesn't know how to use this money. Okay, so what he does, sir, maybe somebody might have given him advice, sir. He started his LIC business. Matlab he became an agent of LIC, sir. Now can I say LIC may most important thing what an agent wants is customer, sir. Now attracting customer is very difficult, sir. So what he is to do, sir, though this is not allowed, LIC never what you say second this type of work, sir, but generally most of the LIC agents do this type of practices. So what he did was, sir, he now openly tells to all his customers कि बॉस यू टेक एक पॉलिसी ऑफ 20 लाख रुपीज, आप एक 20 लाख का पॉलिसी ले लो. दैट पॉलिसी विल मैच्योर आफ्टर 20 ईयर्स. मनी बैक पॉलिसी है, 20 ईयर्स के बाद इट विल मैच्योर. What I will be doing is, now you have to pay anyway 20 years per annum premium. So you have to pay 20 years per annum premium, sir. So after 20 years, that total 20 lakhs you will get, and what is say interest also you will be getting, sir. Okay, so per annum आपको premium 1 lakh भरना पड़ेगा. So he has said to all his customers. Obviously most of the customers will not be interested, only saying what क्या फायदा हमारा, every year we pay 1 lakh, 20 years के बाद that 20 lakhs is coming along with interest. So what is so great in that, sir? Okay, but what did हमारा Mr. Malia do, sir? He says 20 what is it, 20 installments you have to pay, है ना? मतलब 20 years में 20 premium amounts you have to pay. उसका फर्स्ट प्रीमियम आई विल पे, और ही में से 2 प्रीमियम्स आई विल पे. मतलब आउट ऑफ 20 प्रीमियम्स आई विल पे 2 प्रीमियम्स, यू हैव टू पे ओनली 18 प्रीमियम्स. So can I say this is a good what you say opportunity for whom, sir? Investors. So people now started taking the policy, sir. Now what did he do, sir? He was having the 10 crore rupees cash. Now he started giving that cash amount to whom, sir? Those people. Matlab, sir, he used to take check of 1 lakh rupees from them, and that he used to deposit in the bank, sir, and that 1 lakh he used to give back in cash to whom, sir? These people. Now these people 1 lakh, can I say spending is very easy for these people, not at all a problem. So common man के लिए 1 lakh spending is not a big deal, sir, है ना? You give me 1 lakh, एक दिन में उड़ा देता मैं. तो इसका मतलब ऐसा he started doing, sir. So what he was supposed to do, sir? He was supposed to find out 1000 customers. So he has found out 1000 customers. 1000 customers को each customer के लिए he will be now paying what, sir? 1 lakh का premium. So can I say this is what he is paying from his own pocket, sir, and he is ready to pay that. Why? We will see later, sir. Now can I say 1 lakh customers को, sorry, 1 lakh rupees he is giving to 1000 customers, that will amount to 10 crore rupees. So can I say whatever 10 crore का cash he was having, that has gone, sir. Now that cash became zero. Now what will happen, sir? Year end में, now can I say LIC will treat this person as a $1 million, है ना, राउंड टेबल वाला पर्सन, सर. तो कहने से इसका आदर करेंगे, सम्मान करेंगे. ही इज द वन हु हैज ब्रॉट कस्टमर्स टू LIC, सर, है ना. सो LIC विल ट्रीट दिस पर्सन एज एन अन्नपूर्णा फॉर देमसेल्फ. नाउ पॉलिसी क्रिएशन के लिए LIC इमेजिन गिविंग 2% का कमीशन, सर. ओके, so 2% commission on policy creation. So can I say 20 lakh का policy he has created for 1000 customers, उसके ऊपर he is getting 2%. So can I say one time single payment he has got is 4 crore rupees, sir. Okay, very good, sir. Similarly, recurring income will be what, sir? Per annum these people will be paying premium. So imagine on premium also LIC is giving them 0.5%, sir. So can I say 1 lakh? Sir, that year में 1000 customers are there, sir, है ना, and on 1 lakh 0.5% premium will be paid, sir. तो can I say Anna will get per annum 5 lakh rupees, sir. So can I say that year के लिए Anna has got 4.5 crore as commission income, sir. And imagine after paying tax, the profit after tax is, say for example, 3 crore rupees, sir. Now again my question is this, है ना, is this what you say 10 crore a proceeds of crime? And So question, though I did not write this, so question is this 10 crore a proceeds of crime, question mark, and 10 crore say you making it to 3 crore, sir, is this money laundering, sir? Okay, now, so again this is a question mark. Now student will be, sir enough is enough now, at least up to bol do what exactly you are trying to say, sir. So what I wanted was right questions to be framed, sir. So I guess these examples are more than enough for this. Sir, whether a particular offense is a money laundering offense or not, sir, that is defined in section number 3, sir. Okay, now how that is defined, sir, exactly I am not putting, but I am trying to what do you say, arrange those wordings in such a manner that we understand things properly, sir. Now what section 3 says, a person will be guilty of committing a money laundering offense if, first thing what he does is, person does is what, sir, he has engaged himself in some criminal activities. Sir, every criminal activities are no, sir, those criminal activities which are mentioned in the schedule of PMLA Act. So PMLA Act के end पे you have only one schedule, sir. Sir, इसलिए we don't say schedule 1 or schedule 2 or schedule 3 like we did in Companies Act, sir. Okay, so here we have only one schedule, sir. So that schedule has divided into various parts. So part A, part B, part C. Now part A में we have named certain acts and correspondingly to those acts, sir, some section numbers are given. Part B में only one act is there, sir. Part B में some cross border transactions के ऊपर wordings are there, sir. So what we have done, sir, in this schedule, in PMLA Act का schedule, sir, we have named some offences, sir. Okay, if at all the person, whoever the example we have taken, sir, so Bin Laden ho, Dawood Ibrahim ho, Vijay Mallya ho, or Mr. Politician ho, if at all they have done those scheduled offences, I will show you the schedule also, sir. Those people have done the scheduled offence. Now, example, sir, murder, robbery, and fraud. So they have done those scheduled offense. Sir, after doing scheduled offense, what they are doing, sir? They are earning some money. They are making some property. That is what I mean by proceeds of crime. Okay, sir. First, you should commit one criminal activity. That criminal activity should be mentioned in what, sir? Scheduled offense. Very good, sir. Sir, after doing that scheduled offense, now what we have to do, sir? From that scheduled offense, you will be getting some proceeds of crime. Very good, sir. Now, is this proceeds of crime earned with legal source or illegal source? Illegal source. Can I say illegal money ko can I call as a tainted money? Can I call this money as a dirty money? Can I call this money as a dirty money, sir? Answer is yes, because this money is not earned by putting efforts. Can I say, like we do teaching, sir, I am putting efforts and I am earning money, sir. So this efforts which I am putting are in a legal manner, sir. Hence whatever earning I get is legal earning, sir. But can I say Anna is doing criminal activities from which he is making some money, sir. So obviously whatever money he gets is proceeds of crime. So proceeds of crime kab hoga, sir? First thing is you should do criminal activities. Which criminal activities? Those criminal activities which are mentioned in scheduled offense. Now what is that schedule, sir? We will see subsequently, sir. That scheduled offense may, after doing those activities, sir, now you are making some money, that is called proceeds of crime. Now that money can be in the form of property. Now property can be cash, property can be what, sir? Other forms also. So it can be tangible, it can be intangible, it can be movable, it can be immovable, sir. It can be in India or it can be outside India also. So we are not specific with respect to profit. Any type of property will come under proceeds of crime. Okay, you got that proceeds of crime, sir. Now what you are doing, sir? You are doing some process. आप कुछ कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो, है ना? We are not more bothered about. You are doing something, है ना? You are doing some activity. You are conducting some process. By virtue of that process, what is happening, sir? The money which was a dirty money, the money which was a tainted money, the money which was proceeds of crime, you are projecting it. Projecting matlab showing. You are claiming as if it is a untainted money. You are showing as if it is a untainted money. Then, as per section 3, you are guilty of offense of money laundering. Then, as per section 3, you are guilty of offense of money laundering. And if you are guilty of offense of money laundering, sir, then section 4 is eagerly waiting for you. which is talking about punishment. Which is talking about what, sir? Punishment. Punishment for whom, sir? Punishment for offense of money laundering. And what is offense of money laundering? This is defined under section 3, sir. So can I say, agar section 3 you have fulfilled, section 4 is always waiting for you, sir. I hope you are able to understand something, sir. Okay, so here you might be wondering, what made lawmakers say that this particular activity is money laundering or not? How lawmakers said that offense of money laundering has happened? Sir, here what you try to do, sir, you try to see second stage, you try to see the third, and you try to see the fourth stage. Okay, now ध्यान से सुनना. Laundry मतलब क्या, sir? Now can I say we give our clothes in laundry. Now what will laundry do, sir? Can I say first dirty clothes will go inside the laundry. Laundry will now clean them and give you what? Clean clothes. Can I say here also we have done the same thing? First there was a tainted money. What was tainted money, sir? That proceeds of crime. That proceeds of crime ko you have done some polishing. Can I say some process you have done? You have conducted some activity. Okay, and last way you are projecting that, you are claiming that this money is what, sir? Untainted. This is what we do in laundry also, no bhai? Can I say dirty clothes in, then we will do washing, and then we will have clean clothes, sir. So what did this laundry do, Hannah? It has removed this dirt from the clothes. Now what did this process do? This process has removed that taint. Taint matlab kya? Dirtiness. Maraka manchide, maraka, है ना? So that maraka, that dirtiness, है ना, वो दाग जो money के ऊपर लगा था, sir, that taint has been now removed by virtue of this process. This process is what I mean by what, sir? Money laundering. Most of the people do have this as a thinking, sir, कि money laundering means, है ना, black money to white money. Bhaiya, this is not money laundering, sir. Okay, so black money matlab kya, sir? That money which is unaccounted money, that money for which tax is not paid, sir. Okay, sir, here these people are ready to pay tax also. I made this point very clear. These people are ready to pay tax also, sir, but the thing is what? They are not paying tax because the point is government will take tax also, government will take principal amount also, government will ask a fine also, government will ask for imprisonment also, sir. है ना? So here you should not confuse yourself from what, sir? Income tax wala, what do you say, that point and this point, sir. Is this point clear or not, sir? So PMLA में we are least bothered about what, sir? Tax. Yes, tax होना, but that is the duty of what, sir? Income tax department. That is true, sir. Once एक particular things comes under PMLA, तो इसका मतलब क्या? मतलब imagine a scenario, if PMLA Act में one person is punished, sir, इसका मतलब he will be also punished as per various other laws. Maybe है ना, बेनामी property transaction में he will be punished. Prohibition of बेनामी property में he may be booked, sir. He may be booked under Income Tax Act. He may be booked under Customs Act. So there will be n number of laws which will be on him, sir. Now can I say today Riya Chakraborty? Now she is also under the purview of what, sir? Director. Now director of what? FIUIND, Financial Intelligence Unit, India, sir. So can I say she is also alleged of committing what, sir? Money laundering offense. Because I told you, sir, you have to do, see, for money laundering what is required, sir? You have to do something called criminal activity. That criminal activity should be specified in scheduled offense. Sir, with this criminal activity mentioned in scheduled offense, you should make some money, sir, है ना? So you should earn something, some property, etc. आपको आना चाहिए. That is called proceeds of crime. Now that proceeds of crime को you try to showcase, है ना? That proceeds of crime is an untainted money. Now this is tainted money. Tainted मतलब that money which is earned through illegal source. Taint मतलब दाग, है ना? मरका. So tainted money, dirty money it is, sir. Now you are doing some process, or you are doing some activity, by virtue of which what is happening, sir? This money is now showcased as it is untainted. It is showcased as what, sir? It is untainted money, sir. And if at all you do this process is what I mean by money laundering, sir. And whatever you have done एक nothing but एक offense of what? Money laundering, sir. Is this point clear or not, sir? So if somebody asks you simple definition of money laundering, sir, I can give you one liner definition. money laundering is nothing but a process. Money laundering is nothing but a process. Money laundering is nothing but a process or activity by which we are hiding, we are disguising, and we are hiding what, sir? Disguising what? Illegal origin. And we are disguising or we are hiding what, sir? Illegal origin of money, sir. Illegal origin of money. Matlab, sir, if this process would have not been done, total world would have come to know what? Array, you have done something wrong, proceeds of crime. But because of this process, today you are showcasing the total world, array, you have done a very good business, sir. So can I say today this business income is nothing but what? This business income was one time ka proceeds of crime. So can I say you are showing proceeds of crime in such a manner that it is now an untainted money, it is now a clean money, sir. So can I say you have done laundering? Laundering of what? Tainted money. इससे it has become a untainted money. इसलिए lawmakers have used the word money laundering. And what we want to do, sir, we have prepared this law to ensure that this process को we are stopping, this process को we are preventing, sir. How we will stop them and how we will prevent that, that is what you have to read in Prevention of Money Laundering Act, PMLA Act 2002, sir. Is this point clear? So in this chapter you will also study olden days में 1980s में 1975s में how है ना money laundering used to be done. So there was some 3-stage process, sir. So we used to have 3-stage process, है ना. So what were those 3 stages of process, sir? Sir, one wala was placement, sir, second wala was layering, and third wala was integration, sir. Okay, very beautiful example के साथ we will discuss this point also, sir, कि how we will do placement, how we will do layering, how we will do integration. Sir, do you think this only this way may we can do money laundering? Now anyway this battery is also over, but okay, only this way may we will do money laundering? Answer is no, sir. So we will be not doing money laundering only in that way, sir. Sir, this is one example which is discussed in our material, sir. So there are various other ways also in which we can do money laundering, sir. But one of the way of money laundering is discussed in our material, sir, that I will be discussing with you in next class. Okay, so all those pending questions, sir, all those pending questions have to be answered. Now tell me, sir, if at all I have to answer them, sir. Okay, so first example was what, sir? Mr. Trader. Can I say Mr. Trader, he has earned some amount, sir. He has not disclosed 4 crore. If I'm not wrong, I remember 4 crore was the amount, sir. So 4 crore he does not disclose, sir. Is this a money laundering? Answer is no. This is not a money laundering. Is it a black money? Answer is yes, because it is unaccounted, sir. Is this a proceeds of crime? Answer is no. Why? Sir, he has earned that 5 crore, and 5 crore was total earning, 4 crore was in cash, sir. That 4 crore he has earned by doing some criminal activity. Answer is no. So whenever we say money laundering, sir, first thing what you have to check, criminal activity in scheduled offense. Criminal activity in scheduled offense. If that is there, from there we can start forming our opinion, money laundering may be there, sir. But imagine start mein hi we find that no criminal activity is done, sir, then it is not a money laundering offense. Is this point clear? So trader 1, did he do money laundering, sir? Answer is no, sir. Example number 2 mein, what did the trader do, sir? 4 crore ka cash he has used in buying a property, sir. Is this a money laundering? Answer is no, sir. Okay, this is not a money laundering, sir. Again I am telling you, sir, because we have to see, did he do any criminal activity? Answer is no, sir. Sir, he did not earn that money by doing criminal activity, hence it is not a money laundering, sir. Okay, there are various other laws which are there where we will catch that person, okay, but PMLA Act will not interfere, sir. Okay, if you remember Dawood wala example, sir, so can I say Dawood has made that money by robbery? Is robbery included? Is robbery a criminal activity? Answer is yes. Is robbery included in our scheduled offense? Answer is yes. Sir, scheduled offense, that schedule is divided into 3 parts. Sir, we have a part A, we have a part B, we have a part C. Part A mein you have something called IPC, Indian Penal Code. Selected sections are there, sir. Robbery is one among that selected sections, sir. So hence robbery is nothing but what, sir? A money earned through what, sir? Scheduled offense. So can I say criminal activity is there and scheduled offense it is there? Okay. So robbery is a criminal activity and it is there in scheduled offense. Very good. Sir, how much you have earned? 10 crores, sir. Okay. So can I say up to 10 crore, that was a proceeds of crime. Now what you are doing, sir? You are trying to invest this, or you are trying to open multiple, what you say, outlets. And last May you are trying to show what, that 1.4 crore is my income from PGPP. So can I say that 10 crore of robbery income, how you are trying to showcase as if it is PGPP. So can I say third world co, will they come to know this is a robbery income or this is a PGPP income? PGPP income, sir. So can I say, sir, proceeds of crime was 10 crore. On this you have done some activity, you have done some process by virtue of which this 1.4 crore is now looking like a untainted money. So tainted money is now looking like untainted money. Hence, you will be guilty of, what do you say, offense of money laundering. Is this point clear or not, sir? Similarly, that politician example, he will be also guilty of money laundering offenses, sir. Okay. Similarly, that fifth example, which was what, sir? Vijay Mallya wala offense, sir. So what did Vijay Mallya do, sir? He has committed some fraud, sir. Now remember, sir, schedule में part A में last act is Companies Act. Companies Act का 447. So can I say if you do any fraud, sir, can I say Companies Act में which section will be attracted? 447. So now my question is, sir, did Miss Vijay Mallya did criminal activity? Yes. Sir, is this mentioned in schedule? Yes. So criminal activity mentioned in schedule. So can I say condition number 1 satisfied. Second, did he make some money? Yes. How much? 10 crores, sir. So can I say 10 crores is proceeds of crime, sir. How he is trying to showcase? Is he trying to showcase as fraudulent money, sir? No. He is trying to showcase as if it is some, what to say, LIC commission income, sir. So can I say here also he is trying to hide what? Illegal origin, sir. Hence, he will be also booked under money laundering offenses, sir. I hope you understood, sir. Okay, so this was a brief intro which I wanted to give you, sir. This chapter is very interesting, sir, and I have n number of examples, sir. I have been teaching this chapter from last 8 years. So whatever 8 years ka examples which I have created, sir, n number of examples, will be discussing this in our next class, sir. I could have discussed this, but unfortunately our iPad got stuck, sir. So because of battery issues, sir. So next class में I will ensure that that part is also discussed, sir. Okay. Thank you very much. फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते.